Hi everyone, this is another part of exponents, and today we are going to deal with solving exponential form. We want to know what the meaning of solving first before we continue. Solving means finding the answer of the exponential form. When you get the exponential form, you expand it, and thereafter you give the answer of that expansion. That's the meaning of solving. Let's see example number 1 here. Solve 2 squared. We all know that 2 squared can be expanded as follows. 2 squared means 2 times 2, and 2 times 2, the answer is 4. So this is how we solve. We expand 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, and we give the answer 4. Therefore 2 squared is equal to 4. Example number 2. Solve 4 cubed, or 4 power 3, or 4 to the third power. Solution: 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. We expand it first, then we multiply one after another. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, the answer is 64. Therefore 4 cubed is equal to 64. Example number 3. Evaluate 3 squared times 2 power 4. This has 2 different bases here. You have to understand it well. Let's see how we can manipulate that question. 3 squared times 2 power 4. First expand this one, which is 3 times 3, and this multiplication here is placed here. Thereafter we expand 2 power 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Thereafter we find the answer of each expansion in order to finish by multiplying them. Thereafter, let's see. 9, 3 times 3 is 9. This multiplication is placed here. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. Now we finish by multiplying 9 by 16, which is 144. Therefore 3 squared times 2 power 4 is equal to 144. Example number 3. Find the value of 9 squared plus 3 cubed, or 3 power 3, plus 2 power 1. Be careful here, 2 power 1. Solution: we have to expand it also. 9 squared is equal to 9 times 9, we know it, plus here, this plus is here. 3 cubed, or 3 power 3, is 3 times 3 times 3, and plus is here, plus. Remember, 2 power 1 is only 2, we put only 2. Therefore we find answer of each expansion. 9 times 9 is 81. We put this plus here down. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, which is here. Plus here is placed down here. 2 is 2 here down. Therefore we finish by adding 81 plus 27 plus 2. The final answer is 110. Therefore 9 squared plus 3 power 3 plus 2 power 1 is equal to 110. There is something you have to note. Any number to the power of 0, we did not discuss anything concerning power of 0, so be careful here. Any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So let's see some few examples here. If you see 3 power 0, the answer is 1. 12 power 0, the answer is 1. 34 power 0, the answer is 1, etc. So any number with no exception, the answer is 1. If the number has power of 0, you get answer is 1. But remember, there is something which is 0 power 0. It's beyond the scope of our syllabus. We are going to discuss it later. 0 power 0 is equal to 1, or what else. So we are not going to discuss that issue now. So let's see example number 4, which will consist of this one. Now 5 squared here plus 11 power 0 minus 2 power 3. What do we get? 5 squared, expanding 5 squared, we get 5 times 5, plus is here. Now remember, 11 power 0 is 1. We said any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So that's why 11 power 0 we put 1 here. Minus, we put minus here. 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. Now we are going to find the answers for these expansions down here as follows. 5 times 5 is 25, plus, we put plus here, 1, we replace 1 here, minus, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Thereafter, in order to get the final answer, we are going to add this one. 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 minus 8, the answer is 18. Therefore, we say 5 squared plus 11 power 0 minus 2 cubed is equal to 18. Thank you so much and have a nice day.